Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you add or remove payment methods from Apple ID. So let's open Apple ID by clicking on settings. Now click on your Apple ID. Here click on payment and shipping. Now you will get few options like add payment method and add shipping address. So if you want to add any payment method, then click on add payment method. Now select UPI or net banking. Let's add UPI. So I have to enter my UPI ID here. After that, you have to choose billing address, then click on done. Now your payment method is added. You can add multiple payment methods in your Apple ID. You can also add shipping address here by clicking here, and you can add the details and then click on done. If you want to remove this payment method, then you have to click on this edit, then click on this remove icon and then click on remove. Now your payment method is removed, and this is how you can add or remove payment method on your Apple ID. Thank you everyone.